As we have studied a lot about drug and alcohol abuse, but now we have to focus what could be the impact of drug and alcohol abuse over the person and those people who are just close to that person, whether as their family member or as their colleague or as their well-wisher. So there are certain points which I have written from the book NCRT, so that we can relate the things which that abuser has to just suffer in case they are just taking drug abuse or they are taking alcohol. So just here it is given what happens, what is the effect of that alcohol or the drug abuse. The very first one, I would like you to answer me. What have you observed when you have seen any person to be just taking this alcohol or drug abuse? What have you just noted down there? Yes, I think you all have just noted down that they ignore their family. One point is there, it would be there in the book. आप देखो, आपको book इसमें कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है. Only you have to see in the society what have you seen in that person that is there. Okay, first one you have seen a poor relationship with their family members. The second thing you all have just must observe that their behavior is reckless. Reckless in the sense they can become angry over the small issue, or they can become happy over the any of the issue. They will be laughing at all the time, or they would be just not tolerating the simple things. That kind of reckless behavior is there. So one thing is, second point is this. And the third point is vandalism. That vandalism means they would be roaming here and there, like you have seen. They just see that person as drunken, and he or she is just roaming here and there without any purpose. They are spoiling their time and all their energy in this vandalism. And the next is violence. Those who take, I think this also you all have observed in the society. Those who have taken any drug, alcohol abuse, they just fight over the small issue. They are going by the road and someone has just crossed the road. They will fight over that issue. Even in the newspaper, there is a statement that one person has just started fighting with the other people. Why? Because the other person was just riding the bike or vehicle. From that, dust was coming. Do we have control over the dust? No, but they will lose their temper. So that means they become more violent as compared to the normal person who is not taking drugs. That thing is there. Then if there is an excessive dose of drugs, I think I have just given you this example of that at the starting of this topic, that excessive use of these drugs or alcohol lead to the death of the person, or that person can go in coma. That thing occurs due to drug and alcohol abuse. So this point is just written here, death and coma. But किस वजह से होती है? सब due to respiratory failure. The person has taken so much drugs that the body has become unconscious and breathing cycle has stopped. That, or due to smoking also other respiratory problems can arise. Or cerebral hemorrhage, excessive. What happens? Drugs just increase the cardiovascular activity. I think you have read that. Now what happened? Extreme pressure and these things will cause cerebral hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means breakdown of the nerves of that cerebral brain. So excessive bleeding, and that can also lead to the death of the person due to drug or alcohol abuse. In the same way, other points are also mentioned in your book. Some of them I have mentioned there. That is, suppose if any of the teenager or any of the kid is just doing the alcohol or the drug abuse, in that case their academic performance, that you will see that student was good, how he or she has dropped in their performance, then the reason could be alcohol or drug abuse. They will start bunking their classes in school or college. That is also could be the indication of that the student is distracted from the study. That is there. Then this is there. Up now, those who has taken drugs, they are not conscious what is happening to them, how it is happening to them. So they will lack that personal hygiene. They will not follow personal hygiene, like everyone does a brush, they take a bath, they just keep the things clean. But these people, they will be just there in their own thinking mood. That's why they will not just pay attention over the personal hygiene. Then withdrawal. Withdrawal means they will just जैसे नहीं आप बोलते रिबेलियस बिहेवियर हो जाता, दे विल जस्ट से कि आई विल नॉट डू दैट, दे विल जस्ट कीप देमसेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द मैटर, दे विल बी देयर विद देयर ओन माइंड एंड दे विल नॉट बी जस्ट पेइंग अटेंशन टू एनी ऑफ द थिंग, दैट इज द विड्रॉल। आइसोलेशन, अपने आप को अलग थलग रखना, कमरे में बंद कर लिया, and they are just watching the television or doing any of the entertainment thing, but they are not just interacting with the people in society, they are in their own world, that is the isolation. After isolation, if someone has taken excessive drugs and they are just not getting the drugs, or they want excess of drugs, and they also fight with their family members in order to just achieve their target of getting the drugs, poor relationship in the society, as they are just having rebellion and the fighting nature, and they can even lose their that all the belongings. They say na ki they sell, he or she has sold their property in order to have the drugs, or certain part of the property to have a drug. The same thing is here. Depression and fatigue. Depression, that person who is taking drugs can go into depression, and fatigue means the feeling that unconsciousness, and that person can fall into unconsciousness. In the same way, so many points are there in the book, you all can refer from there also. Then given here is spread of suppose if someone is taking drugs, so many things are there in the society which we have observed, that person is going to suffer. But apart from that, the thing which is going to happen, that we are going to discuss. Here it is written, spread of infectious disease. Suppose someone is taking drugs through that intravenous region or through injection, like we have just studied in our previous lecture, the drugs which are taken through veins. That person has taken the drugs through that injection, and those who are taking these drugs, they are not aware of this spread of the infection. They have taken in their vein, the same needle is used by the other. In the same way, what will happen, this cycle will rotate, and if anyone is infected from hepatitis or that AIDS, then it can be spread, hepatitis B or AIDS, it will be spread through this injection. Suppose if someone takes alcohol goes inside the liver. Why liver? Because any of the toxin, whether that medicines in the form of drugs or anything is taken, it goes to the liver. Liver is the detoxifying organ in our body. I think you have studied in your class 9, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum found inside the liver. It helps in the detoxification of that बॉडी के अंदर जो भी केमिकल्स आ गए उनको वो हटाता है, उनको ब्रेक डाउन करता है. So this alcohol is going to just getting stored in the liver as it is toxin, and liver has the function to prevent the body from any of the toxin. But how much it can prevent? It can prevent only to a certain limit. If it is exceeding, then in that case damage to the liver tissues occur, and that damage to the liver tissues is known as liver cirrhosis. कहते हैं इनका लीवर खराब हो गया. In most of the cases, those who are just taking alcohol, because alcohol is directly going to the blood. So what happens in that case? You must have heard कि जो बहुत drink करते थे, that's why their liver has got damaged. The liver has got damaged means he or she is suffering from liver cirrhosis. Why I'm saying he or she? Because in nowadays society, it is that drug abuse is done by both men and women. It is not restricted to only one category, but the thing is, being a field of bio, we should create awareness. As a medicine, alcohol is used as a sanitizer. Like we are having this sanitizer, it is having alcohol, but it doesn't mean कि just get addicted and just have this sanitizer. Alcohol, sanitizer is poisonous more as compared to alcohol, but it doesn't mean it's a medicinal value. But if we are just using it in wrong way, then that is not a medicine, that is a curse for us. Liver cirrhosis. But in case of suppose a woman is having the habit of drinking alcohol a lot, in that case poor growth of decrease, this downward arrow means poor growth of fetus will occur there. Poor growth of fetus is going to occur. Then it is given here what happens. There are different kind of drugs like narcotic, that nicotine we have studied. In the same way, these are the drugs: narcotic, analgesic, anabolic steroids, etc. The diuretics, certain hormones are also taken, like adrenaline. It just makes you to feel extreme powerful. That hormone, certain hormones are used. So diuretics, hormones, and this narcotic, analgesic, Anabolic steroids, these are taken by both male and female basically as a sports person to increase their performance. They feel more energetic. Aggressiveness कि नहीं अब तो हमें गोल अचीव ही करना है. They take the drug कि oh I have to do that. The same thing they just take, but it has certain negative impact also. What is the negative impact in male and female? Both I have mentioned there. Same is there in your NCERT book also. And one more thing I want to tell you is few points are common in male and female. So the points which are common in male and female, over that I have picked that this arrow, and I have put this plus sign and symbol of male. That means this same thing is found in male also. So we will just refer that what happens if male and female are taking extreme drugs of this kind. Let us see. In female, what happens? Masculinization. Masculinization means they will look like masculine. Feminine and masculine you have studied in English. So masculine means they would be having more feature like males. So you would be saying what is bad in that to having the feature like male? It's okay, but they would be having feature like male. Then the second thing, excuse me, increased aggressiveness. Like females are known for having that calm behavior so that they can handle the situation in a very well way. Why in a very well way? Because in society generally it is said that women can just focus on more things due to the structure of brain as compared to men. So women should have such a calm behavior that they can manage all the things in a proper way. We say that at our home our mother is homemaker, so that's why here extreme aggressiveness either for male or female. For both of them it is just poor, but in case of female what is observed? Increased aggressiveness as compared to normal behavior. The same thing is with the male also. Male also, if they are of good personality, they will be calm, they would be understanding. But those who take these drugs, what their behavior becomes? Aggressiveness. छोटी छोटी बात पे गुस्सा हो जाना, तोड़ देना, that they start fighting, and all these things are coming under the increased aggressiveness. It is common in both male and female. It occurs. Increased aggressiveness. Then those who are taking drugs. अब suppose someone has taken drug and they are feeling extreme nice. अच्छा फील हो रहा है. जैसे ही वो ड्रग का इम्पैक्ट गया, दे विल बी फीलिंग एंग्री एंड मूड स्विंग्स होंगे. मूड स्विंग्स इन द मीन्स दे कैन फील हैप्पी ओवर द शॉर्ट इशू एंड दे कैन फील सैडनेस ऑल्सो, एंड दे कैन जैसे अभी बुलाया आपको अच्छे से, आइए चलिए बैठ के खाते, फिर तुरंत गुस्सा के फेंक दिया सारी चीज, नहीं हटो यहाँ से, दैट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. दैट मीन्स suddenly they are calm, suddenly they are aggressive, mood swings, suddenly they are happy, suddenly they will become sad. Mood swing, suddenly they will say चलो चलते हैं वहाँ पे, suddenly नहीं अब कहीं नहीं जाना, it's not okay right now. Mood swings are going to occur in this. Mood swing is also common in both male and female. It occurs. Then depression, if someone is going to take drugs, effect on neuron is going to occur, and जब तक drugs लिया है neurons are okay. जैसे ही ड्रग्स नहीं लिया, द न्यूरॉन्स विल क्रेविंग विल स्टार्ट, जिसको आप बोलते हो लत लग जाना. इवन जब फूड की लग जाती है, ड्रग्स आर मोर, द क्रेविंग विल स्टार्ट, एंड व्हाट विल हैपन विच इन लॉन्ग टर्म कैन टेक द शेप ऑफ डिप्रेशन एज द पर्सन इज आइसोलेटिंग फ्रॉम द सोसाइटी, आइसोलेटिंग फ्रॉम द फैमिली, isolating from everything. Then what will be there? No sharing of thought, no that emotional balance, so depression will occur. Then in females it is mentioned there, abnormal menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle which we have studied, it becomes abnormal here. Excessive hair throughout the body, in the face, in females. It is female. जिस पे एटिक और सिंबल नहीं है वो सारा फीमेल का है. Symptoms. So here excessive hair throughout the body, on the face, on the body, they would be having excessive hairs. Then enlargement of the clitoris. Then deepening of voice. Deepening of voice, like female have certain pitch of voice, their voice will become heavy, and deepening of voice like बहुत भारी आवाज, that kind of voice would be there. Next are the symptoms for male. Symptoms for male, increased aggressiveness, यहाँ से देख लिया था. Mood swings we have seen here. Then depression we have seen here. Now next one is acne. फेस पे पिंपल्स या एक्ने आएंगे, दैट आर द इंडिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग अब्यूज. In decrease in size of testicles, testicular lobules you have studied in human reproduction chapter. So their size will decrease. Now the size of testicles is going to decrease. That means the site for sperm development, and which is going to impact adversely the sperm production. The next one is enlargement of prostate gland. Prostate gland is also the part of reproductive reproductive organ of that male. So its size will enlarge. Enlargement in size means it is going to just hamper the functioning of the female, hampering the function of male reproductive organs. It is going to hamper that. So here are the certain I will say impact of drug abuse and alcohol abuse in society, but it is just putting more deep impact over the society, which we cannot see, like poor economic growth of the country, and that struggle of family, even damage of the society. All these things are happening because of this, and we should follow the major steps to eradicate such a curse from the society.